The sun's barely awake in the sky's gentle hold. The breeze tells a secret only mornings unfold. Eyes half closed, I trace the lines of the air. The world's still quiet, like it's learning to care. Whisper through the noise, let the silence start. Feel the rhythm of your slowly beating heart. Every word unsaid is a song unsung. Through the calm we find where we all belong. The horizon spills light like a painter gone mad. Colors soft enough to forget all the bad. Each moment a canvas, shadows erased. Living feels clearer in this quiet space. Hold on tight to what the stillness reveals. It's in the hush that the truth conceals. Time stops moving, it listens instead. It's where dreams wake and fears are shed. Whisper through the noise, let the silence start. Feel the rhythm of your slowly beating heart. Every word unsaid is a song unsung. Through the calm we find where we all belong. So drift with the clouds, let the whispers take flight. Through the quiet you'll find your guiding light. The world softly waits in the moment you pause. In the calm we have found